In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a color swatch in Pagefly on Shopify. Whether you're looking to enhance your online store or just want to add a little more flair to your product display, adding a color swatch can be a simple solution to make your shopper's experience more dynamic. First, open up your preferred browser and head over to Shopify. Take a moment to log in with your credentials, ensuring that you've got access to the back end of your store. Now, before we dive into the Pagefly editor, double-check to see if your products currently have any variants. Having variants is key because swatches are really going to enhance how these variants are displayed to your customers. Once you're in Shopify, navigate to your product page using the Pagefly editor. This is where you'll be able to add the swatches dynamically to your products. As you're looking at your product setup, locate and select the product variant element within your page. It's typically found right within the editor on the product page you're working on. Next, in the settings panel for the product variant element, search for the section titled Extra Functions. This is where you'll discover a multitude of options that allow you to customize your variants even further. What we're interested in here is the Option Swatch feature. Click on it, and then go ahead and click the Manage button to get started with customizing your swatches. A pop-up will appear, and here you'll want to click Add Option Swatch. Doing so will allow you to select the options you want to display for your product variants. Now comes a crucial choice. For your color variant, you can opt for color or variant image. If you select color, you can utilize the hexadecimal color code that represents each product variant. Alternatively, if you have uploaded specific images for each variant directly into Shopify, selecting variant image will automatically pull that image to be used in the swatch. If you're leaning towards using the color option, it's important that your color variant data in Shopify is accurate. Make sure that they are using correct color representations, typically in the form of hex codes. However, if you prefer images, the uploaded variant image on Shopify will sync seamlessly with Pagefly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your swatch options are set up, click Save to confirm and apply your changes. And don't forget to publish your product page to make these changes live on your store. Your shoppers should now be able to view clean, dynamic color swatches directly on the product page, giving them an enhanced viewing and shopping experience. That's it! Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps bring your Shopify store to life with vibrant color swatches.